If you've been divorced, it is not over for you financially. Check this out.
And the credit score that had plummeted to a 425 because I went through a divorce that wrecked my world and turned my world upside down and inside out. However, when I started applying the income shifting strategies of my econ and the how to repair your credit score, I went from a 425 credit score to a 750 credit score in less than 18 months. And no, I'm no longer broke, busted, or disgusted. I've used the strategies and I've created a 6-figure residual cash flow.
You see, did you notice what he did to recover from bad credit from that divorce? Well, he plugged in to an online do-it-yourself credit repair system that walks him step by step, giving you video training on how to dispute negative items and how to completely clean up your credit, as well as rebuild a good credit profile moving forward. Also, this membership teaches you strategies how you can increase your cash flow almost immediately and start using your money wisely so that you never go back in debt again. Hey, if this is something you want to learn more about, follow me, type divorce in the comments, and visit my profile, and I'll show you how to get started with this. Peace.